morning, everyone. It's cleaning day at the farm, so we're gonna get these pens cleaned out. So these guys are nice. Pen is looking like from our last clean. Let's get this cleaned up. First pen is done, so much better. On to the second one. Lord. All right, let's get you cleaned up. Now we're gonna clean the piggies. Poor guys, little piggy wigglies. Hi Rocky, hi Wiggles. Over here, looks like we had a problem overnight. Our roof fell down. Now we gotta clean this and fix it. Look at this. The biggest process now is getting this trash can that's full out of that cake. Do you know how heavy this is right now? You don't. Okay, you don't. Now he shows up after all the work is done. Good morning. Thanks for coming. No, you got nothing to say? So, we're really unexpected, like I said before. So now we have a surprise for the kids. This morning we did our morning chores. We're where?
We're at Disney!
But before we go anywhere, we have to wake up and get our
things together.
Okay.
And we gotta work out.
That's my boy. So we're gonna go over here and do a quick little warm-up workout before we head to the parks. Like I said, we're unexpected. That's why you want to subscribe and follow, because you never know what's coming.
Give this video a thumbs up. Hi guys, everyone's going to walk down the hill. Run down the hill. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I hope we get to 100 likes. Peace out.
Thank you, leg. Thank you, leg. Thank you, leg. Where are we going? We're gonna see Mickey Mouse. We're gonna go see Mickey. No. See who it is? Say hi, Mickey.
You're welcome to film this.
Say hi, Mickey.
Oh, your sticker. That's so cool that you have them on your hand. Oh my goodness. That's a really good place for a sticker. That one's always within reach. Yeah.
You guys want to take a picture?
Why don't we all turn around and take
Turn
a picture?
around. The Mickey Mouse meet and greet. Now we're gonna go ride Buzz Lightyear! Yay! That was awesome. To see the full Buzz ride, make sure you look below and look at our video log because it's all there. Yay! It's a Small World time. Oh. Go, Prince, go! Go, Prince, go! Go, Prince, go! Thank you. today pretty quick because we have to head back home. You know it's crazy on the farm. But look down below. We have a bunch of videos of all Disney. It describes the parks, describes the rides. Make sure you watch it. Make sure you subscribe. It's free. It doesn't cost anything, so just do it.